So now we're gonna start truncations. This might not necessarily be your first page, but I'm gonna show you how to work it out using this page. So, truncations, pyramids, hexagon. Complete the plan. Now this is extremely important, guys. Whenever you have the question, you must always read it carefully. Complete the plan below and construct the front view and the end view. The pyramid has a height of 70 millimeters. Find the true length. So find the true length and construct the developments and the true shape of cut. Okay, so first we're going to complete the front view and then the end view. Let's start with the front view. So this is my plan. Now I know that the spacing between each view is of 15 millimeters. So I'm gonna mark out 15 from here and 15 from the side. There and here. So we know that the length of the pyramid is 70. So from here, I'm gonna go 70. Take it to the side. Take it to the other side. So there I have, ooh. So there I have the front view of the hexagonal pyramid. Now, let's create the end view. So here I have to have the 45-degree line. There. And here find the center. Here I have the top of the pyramid. So now here we have a complete truncated pyramid front view, but we do not have a truncated end view and we do not have a truncated plan. So, no problem. Let's start with a truncated plan. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to place the numbers. Extremely important, the numbers. Now, I transfer the numbers to the plan. So over here, I have 1 in the back and 2 in the front, 6 in the back, 3 in the front, 5 in the back, 4 in the front. Okay. Now we need to find the center on the plan, which with a hexagon is fairly easy. There. So now we drop points from the 1, 2 over here onto the 1, 2 over here. So there. And we have these 2 points over here. 5 and 4, we're gonna drop them onto 5 and 4. But how can I find 3 and 6? Since it is all one vertical line. No problem. So what I do, I take out a horizontal line from point 6 and 3 over here. There. I take this length with the compass. There. Go on here on the center and mark them out on 6 and 3. And then just join them. And then these lines. There. And there we have the truncated plan. Now, to get the truncated end view. So let's take the base points of the pyramid. There. And replace the numbers over here. So here we have 6, 5 on the back and 1. Here we have 4 on the back and 2, and here 3. So this line belongs to 6, this line belongs to 5 and 1, this line belongs to 4 and 2, and this line belongs to 3. So we take the points of truncation of 1 and 2 from here onto lines 1 and 2 of the end view. 1 and 2. We have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6. And we have 5 and 4. We have 5 and 4. And we just join those over here. There. And we have the truncated end view. Now we have to find the true length. So, as we said, the true length is the longest line of the pyramid. Now we said that when we have a side lying on the side of the plan, it means that this is not the true length. So We place our compass in the center, open till a point, and draw an arc like this. Then from the center, we draw out the horizontal line. They meet over here. We take this up to the bottom of the front view, there, and we join this point to the top of the pyramid. And that is the true length. So, we open with our compass the true length, and we draw it at the side. There. So we have our points to the side. There. Now we open the base one side, and since it's a hexagon, we have to draw 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And don't forget, number them. And again with 1, because 1 will lie on 1. Draw faint lines. There. Now, all these lines are true length lines. So the arcs for the development, we can only take them off of through length lines. But the points I have over here on the front view are not on true length lines. So how do I get those points on true length lines? Easy. You just go on each point and draw a horizontal line from that point onto the true length line. There. See? Now all these points lie on the true length line. So then we take them, let's take for 1 and 2 first. We open for points 1 and 2, and we mark them upon 1 and 2. Then we go for 6 and 3. There, 6 and 3. And finally we go for 5 and 4. There. And we join. There. And here at the sides on point 1, we draw solid lines. And here on the others, we're gonna draw folding lines, because they're gonna be folded. There we go. And don't forget the bottoms as well. There. And there you have the development. Now, for the final one, the true shape of cuts. For the true shape of cuts, first thing we need to draw out lines that are at 90 degrees to the cut. There. Now, we draw out lines only from the points. This time, for the true shape of cut, we ignore the true length completely. It's like it doesn't exist. And we only draw out 90-degree lines from the points of the cuts, only from the points. So in this case, only 3 lines. There. So 1, 2, 3. Make them as long as you want. Now, we're gonna draw a parallel line to the cuts somewhere here. Try and create it somewhere in the middle. There. Now, this line is gonna be this line over here in the middle of the plan. There. So this line is x, and this one's gonna be x1, x1, because they're the same line. So if they are the same line, we're gonna take the points for 1 till 6 from the plan onto here. So 4 points, 1 and 2. Points 1 and 2 is going to be this. 1 and 2 is this line. So we place them here and here. 4.6 and 3. It's this line. So we're going to place them here and here. And for points 5 and 4, it's gonna be this point. So we're gonna place them here and here, and then we just join. And there you have the true shape of cuts. Don't forget, the true shape of cuts is when we're seeing the cut and its proper accurate lengths and angles. Okay, so here we have the truncated plan, truncated end view. We have the development with the help of the true length, and we have the true shape of cuts.